Hey, so if you want to learn Webflow from scratch and build a complete website, this is the only tutorial you need. No coding, no confusion, just a full beginner-friendly walkthrough. Let's start. First, go to Webflow, sign up, and log into your account. It only takes a minute. Click on New Site. You can start from a template or go blank. Beginners should start with a template to make things easier. Now, take a second to understand the interface. You've got the canvas in the middle, tools on the left, and settings on the right. Start building your layout using sections, containers, and div blocks. This is the foundation of your entire site. Add text, images, buttons, whatever your site needs. Just drag and drop elements from the Add panel. Now style everything, fonts, colors, spacing. Use the Style panel to make your design look clean and consistent. Switch to tablet and mobile views and adjust your design. Yeah, this part is important because most users are on mobile. You can add animations using the Interactions panel, like hover effects or scroll animations. Keep it simple at first. If you're building a blog or dynamic site, use the CMS. Create collections and add your content there. Before publishing, add your page title, meta description, and alt text. This helps your site rank on search engines. Finally, hit publish. Choose your domain and your website goes live, and that's it. You've built a full website using Webflow. I mean, once you understand the basics, everything gets easier from here. Just keep practicing and improving. Hey, so if you've